Hello everyone, we are going to simplify minus 2 plus 2 times 10 by 2. Options are 0, 5, 6 or 9. So let's check which one is correct, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So in numerator, there are three signs given, that is subtraction, addition and multiplication. So it's difficult what to choose first. So we are going to opt for BODMAS or PADMAS rule. So according to that rule, first we have to solve the bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, addition and then subtraction. So first we'll solve the multiplication part. Minus 2 plus 2 times 10 is 20 by 2. Minus plus is minus. So minus 2 plus 20 is plus 18, because 20 is greater than minus 2. So we'll opt for with sign by 2. So 18 by 2 is 9, which is option number D. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.